Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix error 0x8024003 Windows Update. Chapter 1. How to fix error 0x8024003 Windows. Update analyzing file system. To start, right-click on Start and click on Terminal Admin. Click Yes to access. Here, run the command sfc/scannow, press Enter. You are going to wait for the file system scan to finish. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 2. How to fix error 0x8024003 Windows Update with commands. To start, right-click on Start and choose Terminal Admin. Click Yes to open it. When you access the terminal, you will copy all the commands that we left you in the video description. When you press Enter, click Paste anyway. This will lead to the execution of these commands. Now wait for this process to come to an end. Chapter 3. How to fix error 0x8024003 Windows Update from Troubleshooter. To start, enter Troubleshoot in the search box. Select Troubleshoot Other Problems. After that, click Run in the Windows Update section. A wizard will open, and it is important to clarify that Microsoft is updating this tool, so it does not always work correctly. Chapter 4. How to fix 0x8024003 Windows Update error by resetting the PC. To start, enter Reset in the search box. Click Reset this PC. Now click on Reset PC. You will define whether to keep your files and select the system reinstallation media. Click on Next, and at the end you must click on Reset to complete the task. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.